Hey guys, this is Davey T from Field Sports Scotland. I'm just doing a bit of turret, showing you how to set your turrets on your Zeiss Victory V8. This is for the Victory V8 review that I'm doing. I've already tested the scope and I'm actually to the point where I just want to show you all the ins and outs of it. Well, I fitted the scope with the 36mm Zeiss scope rings. These are actually branded Zeiss, however they are made by Tier 1. There's not many scopes out there that have 36mm. In fact, I can't actually think of any. I think most are 30mm and 34mm and 32mm. But that doesn't make any difference. It actually helps with the elevation. Now, the Zeiss V8 has a zero stop turret, so basically can't go any further than there. And to change, zoom in, to change your dope, you lift it and it locks. So it is a locking turret. So you're not actually going to, once you're in there and you're set at 400, for instance, you're not going to be able to move the turret. And taking it back to zero takes you back to full zero lock, which is great. Now this is not a multiple turn turret. Maximum you'll get is one turn, or I get 70 clicks after zero, which is good out to 1,000 yards for me for this rifle. Now, how to set the turret is pretty easy, or how to set your zero is pretty easy. You take the top screw off here. Holding that down because there's a spring there. That spring will pop up. Take the spring out, put it aside. Then you can lift your turret off. And at the same point, you can use this cap for adjust your zero. So zero's top. If you want to go over, you just lift it over, take it round, adjust your elevation that way. So it's pretty simple. There's no extra tools involved, and it's very easy to set your zero for the elevation. Now, you do have a zero elevation but it's not zero stop. Your left and right, obviously. You can set that to zero by doing a similar thing. Just pop it out. Now let me explain how to change, because the Zeiss V8 comes with 9 of these little rings. Now they are caliber specific rings. So if you go through the app for the Zeiss app, you can actually change the rings. Now the rings are very simple to change. Take the screw off the top here. Zoom out. Take the top bit off. And then you can remove the rings and replace the rings. Just to put that back on. And then you stick that back on. And basically all you do is you match up the one with the white mark that's there. Stick the spring and the cap back on, being careful. Hold that down, give it a little tighten with your finger, hold it down and tighten it up. Do not tighten it up too much, because otherwise you completely lock the turret. And now we've got that. Double check. It's tight. There we go. That's us back to zero. Very, very simple. Again, it's the same with this one. To reset it back to 0, you have your elevation left and right, and they're very clearly marked. It will tell you on your elevation mark. Take this round. As you can see, it's very clearly marked. Again, you pull it out, pull it in, take it back to 0. So there we have it, how to set your adjustments on the Zeiss Victory V8. Thank you for watching Field Sports Scotland. I'll be doing a full review on this scope in the next coming week. Please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we can get some good footage for you. Excellent. Thanks. Bye.